When you search for photo studio light boxes, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, PULUZ24x24 Light Box. Let's kick things off with the PULUZ24x24-inch light box. Priced at $89.99, this one really caught my eye with its large size and professional-grade features. If you want vibrant product shots that stand out, this is worth a serious look. This matters because it allows you to perfectly illuminate your products, whether it's shiny jewelry or textured food items, ensuring every detail pops. Plus, the color rendering index is a solid 95, meaning your colors will look true to life, which is crucial for online selling. With over 6,900 reviews and a rating of 4.4 stars, it's clear this product is trusted by many. Now, some users mention that the power adapter needs to be specifically compatible, or it could damage the LEDs. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and use the right adapter, this concern is pretty much a non-issue. So if you're serious about photography, this light box is a great investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking to take professional-grade photos for jewelry, food, or any products that need that extra shine. Skip this one if you're just looking for something to use occasionally, as its size and features cater more to serious photographers. Now, if the larger size of the PULUZ24x24 light box feels too much for your needs, this next one might just be the perfect fit. Product number 2, PULUZ20x20 Portable Light Box. Next up is the PULUZ20x20 Portable Light Box, which retails at $79.99. This one's a solid second option, especially if you want a slightly smaller footprint without sacrificing quality. If you want versatility without the bulk, this one's worth a look. The higher light count means you get brighter results, crucial for capturing fine details. With a color temperature range of 3200 to 6500 Kelvin, you can adapt to different shooting scenarios easily. It's got 12 color backdrops offering tons of creative options. Plus, the assembly is super quick, just a matter of seconds. With over 6,900 reviews, it maintains that impressive 4.4 star rating. Here's my take, while it could be sturdier, the variety of colors allows you to swap out backgrounds frequently, which can outweigh this small flaw. If you're okay with a little gentleness when handling the backdrops, you'll love this box. This is great for those wanting to photograph a variety of items without a large setup. Skip this if you need something ultra-durable, as the backdrop is a bit delicate. Honestly, for the price and features, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're working with smaller items and need maximum portability, the next product on our list is definitely something to consider. Product number 3, PULUZ12x12 Mini Light Box. Coming in at a budget-friendly $35.99, we have the PULUZ12x12 Mini Light Box. What caught my attention here was its compact size, perfect for small items. If you're mainly photographing accessories or small gadgets, this is definitely worth your attention. The assembly is a breeze, just 3 seconds and you're good to go. It's portable too, which means you can take it anywhere. With over 1,000 sales and that same trusted 4.4 star rating, it's clear this product fits a niche well. However, some users mentioned that it might not provide enough light for larger items. Here's the thing, if you're primarily shooting small objects like jewelry or tech gadgets, this box shines. But if you try to push its limits, expect some challenges. This is perfect for you if you're a seller or artist focusing on small products. Skip this if you plan to shoot larger items, as its size does limit its versatility. For the price, it's a fantastic option that delivers solid results. If you need something even smaller and more portable, let's check out the next one on the list. Product number 4, Lightdo 12x12 Light Box. Next up is the Lightdo 12x12 Light Box, priced at just $20.79. This one is super affordable and caught my eye because of its included accessories like a desktop tripod. If you're on a tight budget but still want decent quality, this is a good option. This box comes equipped with 120 LEDs and a color rendering index of 95, ensuring accurate colors. It has 10 brightness levels, allowing you to adjust according to your needs, and the 6 color backdrops give you variety. Setting it up is easy and tool-free, which is a huge plus for beginners. With over 1,700 reviews, it holds a solid 4.4-star rating. However, some users have pointed out that the build quality may feel a bit cheaper compared to higher-end models. Here's my perspective. If you're just starting out or need something for casual use, this will meet your needs just fine. It's not meant for heavy-duty use, but it gets the job done for its price. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or just dipping your toes into product photography. Skip this if you need something super durable or professional grade. For the cost, it's an impressive starter light box. If you want something even more compact, let's look at the last product on our list. Product number 5, PULUZ Mini Photo Studio. Finally, we have the PULUZ Mini Photo Studio, which is incredibly affordable at $29.99. This caught my eye because of its portability and ease of setup. If space is a concern for you, this might be the solution. This mini light box features 104 LED lights and a color rendering index above 95, ensuring your products look amazing. It assembles in just 3 seconds and is ideal for shooting small items like watches or jewelry. With a user-friendly design, even beginners will find it easy to use. It also has a solid rating with thousands of units sold. However, some users found it a bit too small for their needs. Here's the thing, if you're focused on really tiny items, this is perfect. But if you're trying to shoot larger products, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're an online seller of small accessories. Skip this if your products are larger, as the size limitation is a real factor. Honestly, for the price and portability, it's a great option to consider. So to wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 fantastic photo studio light boxes. The PULUZ 24x24 is great for large product photography, while the PULUZ 20x20 offers a good balance of size and versatility. The PULUZ 12x12 is perfect for small items on a budget, and the Lightdo provides great value for beginners. Finally, the PULUZ Mini is ideal for ultra-portable use.